Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will start our chapter number 5, The 100 Dresses Part 1, written by L. Brasseur Easter. Students, in this chapter, now this is a story about a schoolgirl named Wanda Petronsky, a Polish immigrant. Now Wanda was teased by her classmates Peggy and Maudie, but her talent of designing dresses impresses everyone in the end. Now both Peggy and Maddie realized that Hay misjudged Wanda and felt incredibly guilty for never believing her about the 100 dresses she owned. Now this story is about the realization that people from mainstream society are forced to make about other different people with similar potential and emotions. In this story, students, there are 4 characters. Now Wanda Petronsky, a poor Polish girl who always wears same blue dress to school and boasts of having 100 dresses. Peggy, Wanda's classmate who always made fun of her. She was the most popular girl in school. Maddie, Peggy's best friend who was always with Peggy. She is poor and wears Peggy's old dresses. And Miss Mason, Wanda's class teacher who helps the students and support them. Now the story starts. The Wanda Petronsky was a Polish girl in an American school. She sat on the seat next to the last seat in the corner in room 13 where all naughty boys sat. There were a lot of noise, laughter and dirt in the corner. Nobody knows why Wanda sat there. It was because she belonged to Boggin Heights and her feet were usually dirty with dry mud. Unlike the naughty boys, Wanda was quiet, so nobody thought much about her. Now Wanda was absent on Monday as well as Tuesday. Nobody in her class noticed her absence. It was on Wednesday that her 2 classmates Peggy and Maddie noticed it. When Peggy and Maddie waited for Wanda to tease her on the way to school, they realized that Wanda was absent from last few days. No, Wanda had no friends. She used to come to school alone in her faded dress. So she seemed different from others and was teased. The students made fun of her name. For them, her name was difficult to say and was funny. The names of other children were easy to speak, like Thomas, Smith or Alan. Now Peggy and Maddie were good friends of each other. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty and intelligent. Peggy was not cruel as she saved younger girls from the bullies and used to cry if she saw any animal being mistreated. Maddie, on the other hand, was a poor girl who wore clothes given by Peggy's mother. Now whenever Peggy and Maddie find Wanda alone in the schoolyard, they asked her about the number of dresses and shoes she had. They were surprised when Wanda told them that she had 100 beautiful dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. Peggy had thought of this game to tease Wanda. The reason to tease Wanda was that she wore the same faded blue dress to school every day and laid that she had 100 dresses. Now Maddie felt embarrassed when Peggy teased Wanda. She wanted Peggy to stop teasing Wanda and decided to write Peggy a note. So after completing her maths work, she sat down to write a note to Peggy. Maddie knew that she does not have the courage to directly tell Peggy to stop teasing Wanda, but later she tore the note and threw it away as she imagined herself being teased by Peggy and her other classmates for wearing Peggy's old dresses. Maddie remembered Wanda talking about one of her dresses, which was pale blue with colored trimmings, as well as the brilliant jungle green dress with a red scarf. Now, a drawing and coloring contest was organized in the class next day. In this contest, girls were supposed to design dresses while boys had to design motorboats. Maddie felt that Peggy would win the contest as she drew better than anyone else in the class. Next day, it was drizzling and the result of the contest was going to be announced by the teacher. Peggy and Maddie did not want to be late, so they did not wait for Wanda to tease her. Now they were amazed to see about 100 designs of dresses hanging over the walls. The class had assembled and the class teacher, Miss Mason, announced the names of the winners. Jack Beggles was the winner among the boys and Wanda Petronsky was the winner in girls. Now the teacher informed them that all the drawings of designs in their class were made by Wanda and each drawing deserved the prize. But unfortunately, Wanda was absent in the class and thus could not receive her prize. The teacher then asked the students to look at Wanda's beautiful drawings. All the children applauded Wanda's drawings and whistled while looking at them. Peggy and Maddie noticed the blue and a green dress that Wanda used to talk about to her classmates. So here, students, this is the story of Wanda and her classmates in The 100 Dresses Part 1. So you have to read this chapter and try to find more interesting facts about